Hello guys, this is the unboxing video of Dragon Touch action camera. The model name is Dragon Touch Vision 4 Lite. This is the box. The box looks nice. Let me see the features here. It got Wi-Fi, camera of 20 MB, 98 feet inside for the depth of the water. Then it's 4K, then there's a slow motion, angle 170 is 4x zoom. I think so this is digital zoom, I guess so. And EIS for stability, does provide a remote control. Yeah, the image sensor is a 20 megapixel CMOS sensor. Then the video resolution is, it contains like 4K at 30 ps, then 4K at there's written 230 fps. I think so, maybe a printing mistake if something, I think so, not so sure about it. Then 180p 60 fps and 180p 30 fps and 720 at 120 fps. Then the image resolution, as said before, is 20. It's a 2-screen LCD. It does support Android and iOS. The lens is 170. The memory, it's a 64 GB. It's not included, it's expandable up to 64 GB. It does provide battery. It has two battery, about 1050 mAh. Yeah, and the waterproof, like the maximum depth it can go is 98 feet. And they say they do have compatible, it is too compatible with external mic. Oh, and it's made in China. It's come from China also. This wireless connection, Ultra HD 4K. It says the price is around 5,900, but I got it for 5,100 from Amazon. So guys, let's open this up and let's see what I have in this. It's a well quality. It covers a good quality. Camera looks nice. This is the remote control. It looks nice. It looks cute. Activate your 2-year warranty now. It contains 2-year warranty. Register within 7 days after receiving your product. So this is the link. If you purchase this, and this is how you want to activate a warranty. Make sure that you do this now to ensure the purchase 100 means 200% covered. Okay. Dragon Touch. Looks nice. What do I have? Let's know. A big box again. Keep this aside. Got a camera. Got this thing. First thing I got is a user manual. Multiple language. English and Dutch, French, Spain, Italian, this is Korean, I don't know where from. Okay, got two tiny this thing, battery. Oh, it's for the helmet, J-hook. The strap. Normally people put this thing over this and you can put it on your hand. Strap. This is one more clamp for multiple uses. Suppose I want to put this thing here. I don't know, I'll see how it goes. This is for the bike, cycling and all, so this thing can be put in like go to your handlebar inside this, and so many things they do have again the same thing. Yeah, the same thing. It's the same thing. Yeah, the slight difference. I don't know. We'll see. More bells, but more bells is good. Again, also. This is to charge the battery. Okay. This to charge the camera battery. One more camera case. Yeah, this is one more spare holder, and all this thing got the nut also. Yeah, there were two things inside. This thing got the nut also. And again, got the sticker and to put the camera again. Again, some sorts of hooks and all. This is again a similar one. Got a case again. I don't know why this extra case. And this is some extra stickers, some tapes, lens cleaning equipment, and I'll just open this up. Let's open this up. Okay, this was pretty simple. Okay. Oh, I think so. This what we had was the back case of this thing, the spare case. Yes, it's a spare for the back one. That's good. Like if it tends to come out of it tends to break. That's good. This thing comes out. It's a tiny, cute little camera. So let me open this. Let me remove this. There's one more thing to peel off. Okay, peel this thing. Oh, there's one more inside. There's one more screen inside. You can see this. There's one more screen inside. So I'll keep it there, not to it's good as like a safety. So this is where I'm supposed to inject. I don't have nails. I don't have nails at all. I like shit. So let's test this thing now. This is my favorite kind. Yes. Whoa, it went inside. Yes. Okay, then I'll open one of the battery pack. I hope they are pre-charged, because certain cases they normally be pre-charged. So just slide this thing in. This is a simple thing to slide in. Okay, I'll skip it. I'll just see how it goes. TF card not inserted. Okay, so it does have two slots. Two bars of battery. It does have this thing. Okay, guys, this is TF card not inserted, and this is the menu. Bin mode, no files there. No files. Okay, this is all different modes. This is presently at 4K 30 FPS. Then ES is off. Loop recording. There's time lapse, slow motion. Audio recording is on. Yeah, that's it. I think so. What it has. So they are like more. So press. Oh, again now comes to photo resolution. That's kept as 14 MB. It I'll change to okay. It went. Okay, I'll select. I'll change to keep it 20. Photo should have good clarity. So kept it 20. Press OK. It's 20. Time lapse mode off. Then burst mode off. Yeah. Then what else? It's simple to control. Like this is like how you press the mode button just to change it from the video mode, camera mode, and other sound like other settings and all. Plus and minus helps to just to scroll up and down, and this is to get to select it. Suppose I want to change the volume, I just press this, I guess the option comes. So it's a simple, it's not a complicated deal, and you will get used to it very fast. So guys, this is it. So if you like my video, do like it, and if you all want to show some to see some videos, do let me know. Comment in the box so I can put some videos and all. I can share some videos, and if you want to know more about this, about what the accessories and all, more details, please please comment, and I'll surely be for you. Surely, what am I saying? Surely be there for you. Okay, guys, thank you. Have a nice day, guys. Thank you for watching.